Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I want to do a second video on del. When I was looking at it after I published it, I realized that it looked like I made it look like the del only works with list. So so forgive me. So let's just jump into this for a second. It works on anything you want to delete. So, alright. So let's just run this. And so X is this, Y is this, tote is a number, and name is a string, right? Well, guess what? Del works with anything. Just deletes it completely out of memory. Del tote is gone. So I apologize if I made that look like that del is only a word that, or a keyword that only works with lists. That is not true. So I would need to rerun this, and it just completely deletes an item out of memory. So I just wanted to touch base on that real quick, clear up any confusion. So I apologize. So I just thought I'd make a second real quick video about this, but no, keyword del works on any item, and del y, and so y is gone. So whatever you want to delete, if it's something that is going to be a huge list after a for loop or any big operation, and you don't want to be a memory hog and you want to get rid of it, just use del on it, clear it out, and go back through. So there you go. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos coming out every single day. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.